Everything we touch has a machinist involved in it, everything. And we just don't always see that. When we can really get out there and see what's happening in the world of manufacturing, see the products we make and how it's making life better for many people, that's the joy in what we do.
As a post-secondary institution or college, what are the benefits to being in Skills? You know, the networking, it really opens up the career options for them. Along with, the skills, it kind of solidifies through them that, I'm really good at what I do or I wouldn't be able to make it here.
I think the power of Skills is, one, the leadership, definitely the competitiveness, competing at state level, but then getting to come here and compete against kids from all over the nation. You got to have a lot of drive, you got to have a lot of passion.
For me, I want to produce managers. I don't want to just produce CNC machinists. I want to go to the next level and have my guys run the shops. So the leadership side of SkillsUSA plus Mastercam has really tied the two together. So I have 4 or 5 shops in my area that use Mastercam. So it's really easy for my guys to get hired right on. My advisory panel actually asked me to teach Mastercam, so that's one of the big reasons that I have.
Our advisory board was a key part in talking about what would be the best direction to go into, and 9 out of 10 of our advisory board members use Mastercam for their programming, so it was an easy choice for us.
SkillsUSA is the Olympics for the skilled trades, and I think it's a great opportunity. Maybe you're a student athlete, maybe you're not. This gives the students an opportunity to go and compete using their brain and their hands as well. So I like to say hands-on does not mean minds off. These students won the gold medal. They were the best in their state to make it to nationals.